It is 4:42 in the morning. There you go. So today we are on an adventure and we are going on a road trip. So it's literally 4:47 in the morning. So I am wearing my, what are these, biker shorts from Pink with a pink black shirt with logo on the back. I am wearing my Vans and I have my hair in a bun. Nothing crazy. And yes, as you guys saw in the title of this video, I got a new car. Woo! So I will be showing my car, but not yet. So stay tuned for that. All right, well, let's go. So we have arrived to Orlando, but it was raining, so we weren't able to go to the park that we were gonna go to. So we are actually spending our time here at it's a museum, or I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but I will let you guys know once I get out. I will give you guys the name. So I was just informed the name of this aquarium is Sea Life Aquarium. It's in the same section where they have the what's it called, like the Orlando Eye is what it's called. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know it's a great experience. It was a great experience, and you must come try it for yourself. So you guys, this is the entrance, and the place is called Sea Life. Then that's where the Icon Park is, where you can get on the Orlando Eye. And then there's like a section where you eat. And yeah. So this is a ride, and then this is the Orlando Eye that I was talking about. And then we came out of here.
I will ride that.
And that's where the aquarium was, or is. The weather is not all that good today, so we're not going to the park. We're just gonna continue to explore different places here in Orlando, and I will show you. So we just got to our resort hotel / apartment. so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So when you walk in, this is the kitchen. And it has a washer and dryer. Then on the left side, the room has 2 beds. This is the bathroom. Then you keep walking. This is the table. Then here, this is the living room. And my mother, say hi.
Hi.
We're going on the tube.
Oh my God, the tube.
We are adding a bed. This right here is a sofa bed. My son's sleeping here. My mother's sleeping here. Then you keep walking and you go into the other room. I'm trying to turn the light on. The other room. This is a king size bed with a little TV. And then to your left is a bathroom, another bathroom. It's a little, let me see, is this a closet? Yeah, a little closet. And the toilet is separate. And then there's another sink here, which this mirror is life. Awesome. And then we have a jacuzzi that I will not use. But yeah.
Late. I was here expecting.
No, it's not.
And then this also has a balcony. And this is our view. It's not all that, but whatever. The balcony is pretty big, spacious. And yeah, don't mind that nasty cup with cigarettes in it. My boyfriend smokes. And then yeah, that's the sliding door back into the room or the apartment. Okay, so this is a 2-bedroom apartment, 2 bedroom, 2 baths. My mom works for the Marriott, so we get discounts, her employee discounts, we get great discounts. So this is a good way for us to save money and stay in nice resorts, because technically to stay in this apartment, it's like $300 a night. So we got a great deal with her employee discount, and that's how we're able to stay in these nice hotels or resorts. Today we were supposed to go to Typhoon Lagoon, but due to the weather, we're not going. We're actually gonna just hang out and stay in the resort today. Tomorrow, we will see if it's gonna rain, because according to the Weather Channel, it's saying that it's gonna rain every single day, but you know, we're crossing our fingers hoping that it does not rain tomorrow, because we're going to 2 different parks. We're going back to Islands of Adventures to ride the new Harry Potter ride, and then we're also going to a water park. However, like I said, due to the rain, we're not sure if we're gonna go to the water park, but I will let you guys know. And I would also give you more details in regards to that. There it is. The rain has officially begun. That's why I tell you guys, Florida weather is very bipolar, and you need to come prepared. That's why I told you guys in the previous video to always bring your ponchos. And this is the aftermath. We have officially added another bed into the apartment. That will be where my mother will be sleeping. Apparently she's having some technical difficulties here. Yep. That is the bed. Beautiful. Model, mom, model. And here you have, what is this, a king size bed?
Queen.
A queen size bed for the
Queen.
queen. Game day.
I guess you can wait a little bit. I don't know.
I know what you're doing.
Serve a little bit of the chips to the table.
Is that good? Hmm? Eating in the apartment. Check this sucker out. Yummy. This is a chicken sausage sandwich. Yummy. Good morning. Good morning. In the morning. Good morning. Some coffee in the morning. And we're here again. Thank God the weather is working to our favor. So hopefully it stays like this for the rest of the day. We shall see. We shall hope and pray that it will not rain. So we originally came to the park to get on the new ride, but there is, right now it got delayed and there is a 6-hour wait. So it wasn't raining, but we had bad luck in regards to the new ride. So we're not gonna get on it. Right, hun? We're not gonna get on the new ride?
Yeah, there's no ride in the world worth 6 hours of my time. Not gonna happen.
Nope. Are you gonna wait 6 hours in line?
Oh,
You?
no. Absolutely not.
Right there.
We're gonna have to wait just one.
The entrance for the Harry Potter ride is all the way back here by the Jurassic section. That is how long this ride is. There's a lady standing right there letting people know that they have to enter through this section right here, which once again, we're in the Jurassic Park section. And she is literally screaming out that there is a 6-hour wait. This is freaking crazy. You got it. She said it. There it is. I ain't lying. So I forgot to close out yesterday's video. I was extremely tired. After taking a shower and relaxing in the sofa, I completely knocked out. And I was unable to close out the video. Now, if you guys liked my car, please hit me with a thumbs up in the comment section. So as I'm editing this video, I realized that I didn't post my car anywhere in this video. So I'm gonna hit you guys with a montage. Here you go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment anything to show your love. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.